Hi. This is one of a special series of films from the Celebrate Waste video collection. The series is called Food Forests, and it's made possible by the combined efforts of permaculture team Malaya Groom and Jordan Hosea, and their terrific organization, Incredible Edibles. This episode is called Urbanite, using wasted concrete.
Well, I was just asking Jordan how he could imagine living in a world without urbanite or broken cement available, and he suddenly started telling me the reasons why he uses it. So I grabbed the camera and, how come you use urbanite?
Well, it's a free resource, first of all. The main reason is because there's a huge energy trail behind it, being first of all broken up and trucked to a recycling yard where they use even more energy to smash it, break it down into a reusable form again, which then they usually make garden blocks out of, landscaping blocks out of. So that's what we use it for. We take out that whole energy trail process, get it for free, and just have to pay for transport and labor to move it, and then we can make instant microclimates, and it's a recycled resource. So we call it Urbanite. It's basically just recycled chunks of concrete that don't have rebar or metal in them, so it's easier to work with. And then you can actually stain the stuff so it can look like sandstone using ferrous sulfate. So that's another good kind of resource for it.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, and then we also use it for stepping stones throughout the garden, or even patios. Really good for patios. What else have we used it for? Used it to kind of back up soil and keep things wicking, keep water wicking away from, say a wooden post or part of the house. If you wanted to have soil kind of up against the house, you could have chunks of concrete that would help wick water away from the wood quicker. There's just tons of resources. I've seen a lot of people use it for ditches and creeks, or erosion control, basically.
Riprap
on ranches. It's just a really good free resource, and a lot of people are starting to realize that. So it's actually hard to get for some people, but we have several different connections for it, so we're working with it.
Good job.
Yep.
Well, one of the valuable things I found about it is, and Jordan mentioned it when he said provides diverse microclimates, but that cement soaks up a lot of heat energy during the day, and it can work the opposite way in the summertime. In a spiral like this, where they're all different exposures, then the warmth effect is enhanced by this this thermal dense material, and on the other non-exposed side you have kind of an enhancement of the cooling properties. But certainly all of it helps plants go through the evening and flattens out the overall temperature curves. And it also then just provides all sorts of nooks and crannies for little critters, for lizards and perhaps rodents and insects and all that good stuff. So what would we do without urbanite? What would we do? What flat, dense, oddly attractive material would we substitute it with?
Well, having seen that, do you think you'd like to build one in your garden? It's really pretty easy. Thanks for watching.